In this video I'm going to be talking about the natural motion of the bones of the cranium and face with the breath, at least with holographic breathing, how they move in holographic breathing and how they move in a natural motion that there is inherent within them, and how to activate this within holographic breathing. And I'll leave in the description below and the comments below a short free tutorial, video tutorial to learn holographic breathing. So if you wish to learn holographic breathing, you can. And we will also be covering this, the practical side. Will be instigating it and doing it in a very practical way in a webinar which will be on the 27th of March, Tuesday the 27th of March, and repeated on Wednesday the 4th of April. So those are there, and I'll leave a link below if you want to come to one of those. You can, and they will be recording, so the recording will be available. Now, in the last webinar, there's a movement of the jaw in holographic breathing. Opens on the in-breath, closes on the out-breath. As the lungs are opening, some of the same muscles that open the lungs will also drop the jaw. So it just joins in with the motion of the breath. On the in-breath, the jaw is opening. On the out-breath, it is closing. And this is balanced from the back. We've got a couple of demonstrations. I made another 3D model to show this all a bit better, which we will be showing. Okay. So, breathing in, the muscles of the breath just naturally open this in this way. Breathing out, there's this gentle motion of the jaw with the breath. Breathing in, breathing out. And in the last webinar, we did an activation to help all of the bones of the face with the jaw all opening on the in-breath, closing on the out-breath, and the occiput, this bone at the back, opening on the in-breath, closing on the out-breath, and this spreads through the whole cranium, a bit like a wheel front to back. All the sutures between the bones opening and closing with the breath, and all of the bones opening and closing with the breath. And along with that, there's an opening sideways and a closing medially. Breathing in, breathing out. And that too we bring about with an activation that brings that to life, so you can experience both of those for yourself. We'll be doing an activation that opens this way and an activation that opens that way. And we also made this little 3D model. So there's this opening through the central line, the bones, the sutures between the bones, opening on the in-breath, closing on the out-breath, opening on the in-breath, closing on the out-breath. But if you look underneath, notice what happens with, and there's not much pressure, this is just a loose bit of wire, so it's not like there's a lot of pressure there. But look at what's instigated as you're breathing in, this coming. Notice this elastic band. I'll put an elastic band in the middle to hold it together. But as this comes in, that stretches, and the whole cranium opens up sideways. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Now, not only because that is elasticated there, there's a bit more pressure pulling it in there, but also the sides of the cranium are opening more so than that point. See how they're opening with that closing. So the sides of the cranium are opening and closing as well. I have to find a way of keeping this balanced. So, and you can see with this piece of string here, as these come together, breathing in, breathing out, all of the bones opening on the in-breath, closing on the out-breath, breathing in, breathing out. Now, there's many more facets to it than just this. This is a very basic way we're looking at it, and all of the different bones do different things, the sutures do different things. But to understand how this breathes and to be able to instigate that in yourself is a deeply healing and spiritual event. You know, as we age, this all generally becomes tighter and harder, but as it starts breathing, then it becomes looser and easier. It feeds the brain breathes along with it, the cranial fluid moves, the cells become activated, the energies rise and fall through the whole body, connect to the earth, connect to the sexual energies, connect to the higher self, connect to the heavenly bodies, and it all starts working through the whole body. Can be truly enlightening once the cranium and the brain start breathing, and you can open up those higher energies which instigate the lower energies, and vice versa. So if you wish to take this deeper, there is the free video to learn holographic breathing, but if you want to come to these webinars, please do. There's the link, or there are just so many free videos and tutorials on my website and on my Facebook page. The Facebook page is free learn holographic breathing videos, and my website is holographic-breathing.com. So do try holographic breathing. Please take it deeper as well, and enjoy this breathing system that can be deeply beneficial on all sorts of levels: meditational, healing, physical, health. Helps on all types of levels. So yeah, come along, enjoy these webinars, and thank you for listening, and have a wonderful day. Okay, thank you.